name's Mayo, and I work at Squid Industries as a shift lead. And basically what that means is I'm a team leader. I've worked at Squid Industries for about 2 years now. It's been awesome. It's been great. My work was mainly in the food industry. Like I've always worked as like a teppanyaki chef, or I worked at a skate shop before too. And this is like a really satisfying and fulfilling job. And I'm doing something really dope for something I really truly care about with my friends. So basically what I do here is I check up on everybody, make sure everybody makes the products that we want to drop this week, and I see what we have, and I coordinate with Lucas, and then I talk with TV, one of the other managers here. We kind of decide on something, and then I put it on the board. I might have one guy making squid trainers. One guy presses all the Nautilus tank pins. Everyone's like this little team, and we all have these little parts. So we just try our best. If we have the parts, we'll put that on the drops. Every single person is really pivotal to what we do here. It is a really small unit, relatively speaking, for how much we put out. We have 1 or 2 people for media, 1 or 2 people for customer service. Our assembly team is relatively small. I remember at one point there was only 3 people making Krakens, and everyone was just we need these Krakens now. And I'm like, oh dude, just a little, everything's just this big Willy Wonka factory, just pumping out squiddies and stuff. There's a lot of stuff that we decide. So there's literally a line of people just waiting to talk to Lucas. Lucas will just be on the phone. We're just sitting there all right, I need to make sure this is cool before I go ahead. I think the really cool thing about Lucas is he really cares about every single one of us individually. He's definitely gave me a lot of tasks I was never used to prior to my other jobs. So coming here has been a really good learning experience. The company culture here is so good. So everyone's kind of friends and family to me. Having these guys here, we all kind of just really take care of each other. And it's funny because sometimes we won't even be when we get off the clock, we'll just be hanging out really close. And Lucas knows all our birthdays and make sure we get gifts, stuff like that. My favorite part of the job is having a really hard deadline or something that we're a big goal, and then just getting a bunch of people and seeing what their strengths and weaknesses are, and how we can tackle this together. Kind of seeing all of it and erasing it off this whiteboard, and just feeling we did it, guys. That's probably the best thing, is just overcoming obstacles with my team.